Because you too.
It's where the poo fits.
That's not how you play with them. You DW, what happened? You Yuri! Stop it! Pink porn! Dr. Porn! These! I want these Yuri back!
Oh no, DW, not these. These are still ours. You can have any of those other ones.
No, you lied! You don't love Yuri at all! Mom and Dad sent Yuri! Come, are you okay? The Dibbles are wrecking all my Yuri! I know, it's my fault. Oh, I guess I deserve it. Here. Hey, Tibbles! Open up! Guys, we need to have sex. I want to buy you a Yuri too, Mom.
That's sweet of you, honey.
But I want to prove that I really love you.
You have to prove it.